It's Wednesday, December 20th. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat, brought to you by Eric Potato of eXp Realty, your BC Thompson Okanagan and Shuswap lakefront specialist. And we begin with the latest overview of the country's employment scene. StatsCan reporting little change in the number of folks collecting regular employment insurance benefits, only a slight uptick of 0.7% or about 2,900, bringing the total EI count to 443,000 back in October. BC claims showing the biggest hike at 2.7%. Or about 1,300. Yet more federal funding to help fast-track home construction in BC this time, where $43 million has just been earmarked for the Vancouver suburb of Burnaby. 11,000 new addresses, the goal. One of Canada's most listened to business podcasts, according to FeedSpot, and heard around the world on X, TikTok, and wherever you get your favorite podcasts. Canada's Business Beat is proudly sponsored by Eric Potato of eXp Realty. Considering a move to beautiful BC, Eric is your Thompson Okanagan and Shuswap lakefront specialist at OkanaganLakefrontProperties.com. Your opinion on Canada's trade relations with the rest of the world. A Glacier Media poll offering mixed messages. While 67% of Canadians would like to see the home and native land become less dependent on trade with the States, 4 out of 5, or 82% to be exact, agree that the U.S. is, without question, Canada's most important trading partner. Facing reality, plane maker Bombardier has formally decided not to take legal action over the federal government decision to purchase 14 military surveillance aircraft from Boeing, the $10.4 billion contract to see the planes delivered in 2026 and 27. Courier giant FedEx among the stocks to keep an eye on. The company's share price down sharply after its latest quarterly profit, up 23% to just over $1 billion, fell well short of what analysts were hoping for. And welcome news for cannabis producers coming out of Alberta, the latest province to loosen the strings and allow legal pot to be sold at adult-only festivals and trade shows in the hopes of further eroding the illicit market. And that will do it for your Wednesday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat, brought to you by Eric Potato and OkanaganLakefrontProperties.com.